Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I would love to share with you how this quilt gave my room that boho modern look that I was looking for. This striped boho style modern quilt is just what I was looking for. Not only is it beautiful, but I love the fabric. This is 100% cotton. It's very soft, very gentle on your skin. It's breathable, which is great for the summer. I love the double stitching, and I truly appreciate their beautiful turquoise and their orange color. This is not only beautiful, but it's very easy to care for. I really appreciate that it's very lightweight. This is a queen size and it fits on a regular washing machine. This company has a variety of other beautiful colors and patterns. I know you are going to love it as much as I do. So if you're looking for comfort, for style, and for real cotton for the summer, I highly recommend this quilt, and that is my point of view.